Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen all those twinkling stars? It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? Every single one of those little lights is a giant burning ball of gas, kind of like our sun, but very, very far away. Space is so much bigger than you can imagine. It's filled with planets, stars, galaxies, and all sorts of mysterious things. It's a giant playground of science just waiting for us to explore. Thinking about what's out there can make you feel small, but it can also make you feel incredibly curious. Let's get our science hats on and blast off on an adventure to learn some amazing things. The universe is like a giant book, and every time we look through a telescope, we are turning a new page. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Just try to picture that for a moment. Imagine scooping up a handful of sand. Each tiny grain represents a star, and you'd need every beach in the world to count them all. And around many of those stars, there are planets, just like Earth is a planet that goes around our sun. First up on our amazing space tour is a planet that is truly a treasure. Imagine a planet made of diamonds. Scientists believe they have found one called 55 Cancri. It's about twice the size of Earth. It's so dense and made of so much carbon, its surface could be covered in a thick layer of shiny diamonds. Think of the biggest, most sparkling diamond you've ever seen in a jewelry store. Now imagine a whole world made of that stuff. It's a place where you could literally walk on riches. But it would be very, very hot there, much hotter than an oven. Our next stop is a planet with some very strange weather. On Earth, it rains water. But on a planet named HD 189733b, scientists believe it rains glass, tiny pieces of sharp glass. This planet is a beautiful deep blue color, but it's not a friendly place. The winds there blow at over 7 times the speed of sound. Those super fast winds carry particles of silicate, the stuff glass is made from. You'd be caught in a storm of glass flying sideways at incredible speeds. It's a good thing we have umbrellas for water, not glass. Let's talk about something closer to home. Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size, but it's not a very nice twin. Now let's use our sense of smell, or at least our imagination of it. If you could travel to one of Jupiter's moons, Io, you might want to hold your nose. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Hundreds of volcanoes spewing out lava, spewing out gas. The gas they release is full of a chemical called sulfur dioxide. Here on Earth, that same chemical is responsible for the smell of rotten eggs. If you took a whiff of Io, it would smell like a giant carton of eggs that's gone very, very bad. Yuck. Next, let's think about water. But would you believe there's a giant cloud of water floating in space? Astronomers found a massive cloud of water vapor that holds 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. That's a number so big it's hard to even write down. This water cloud orbits a supermassive black hole in a distant galaxy. It's the largest and farthest reservoir of water ever detected. It's like finding a giant water bottle for the entire cosmos. Back to our solar system. Visit Mars, the red planet. We often think of big mountains on Earth, like Mount Everest. But Mars has the biggest volcano we know of. It's called Olympus Mons, about 2.5 times taller than Mount Everest. So wide it would cover most of France. It's a shield volcano, not steep, very broad, built by lava flows over millions of years. Have you ever wondered what space sounds like? It's completely silent. On Earth, sound travels through the air as waves our ears pick up. In space, there's no atmosphere to carry sound. A vacuum, big, empty space. Even a giant explosion next to you, you'd hear nothing. Movies add cool explosion sounds. In reality, cosmic battles would be eerily quiet. It's a silent, peaceful, a little spooky place. Our tour now takes us to Uranus. Most planets like Earth spin like a top. They're tilted a bit, but mostly upright. Uranus is tilted so far it rolls on its side, like a knocked-over top that keeps spinning. Scientists think a huge object, maybe Earth's size, crashed into Uranus. That extreme tilt creates very strange seasons. One pole can face the sun for decades. Let's talk about light. Light travels faster than anything in the universe. It can go around Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. Blink, it's already done. So, there you have it. 10 amazing, mind-boggling facts about the incredible universe we live in. Planets made of diamonds, silent, empty spaces, smelly moons, giant clouds of water. The universe is a place of endless surprises. We've only just begun to explore it. There are still so many secrets hidden among the stars. Thinking about these things really reminds us how special our own planet is. Earth is a perfect home for us. Breathable air, liquid water, just the right temperature. While it's fun to imagine raining glass or a diamond world, our planet is a cozy and safe place in a vast and sometimes wild cosmos. Learning about space doesn't just teach us about other worlds, it actually helps us appreciate our own. The most important thing you can do is to stay curious. Never stop asking questions. Read books, watch documentaries, visit a planetarium.